Some. Assembly.
1 second. Required. You'll lose your heads over us. Hey guys, I'm so sorry. I'm late.
Raina, over here.
Oh, hey.
Hey, girl.
Come here so we don't have to yell. Hey guys, what's going on?
Raina, what are you doing still wearing your head?
Yeah, seriously. Don't you know that nobody wears their head anymore? Didn't you read this week's Fashion Weekly?
No, I'm sorry, I must have missed it.
And is that your original head? Sheesh, girl. You better trade that thing in for a new one.
Seriously, but it's okay though, because you're our friend and I'm gonna hook you up. There's one of my spare heads below. Take it home and try it on.
I don't know, guys. I don't really take my head off anymore. Like, I haven't in a while, so...
Oh, please. What are you scared of? You'll love it, I promise. Go ahead. Take it. It's all yours.
Okay, if you say so. Okay, well, I guess I'll see you guys later.
Yes, and hopefully with your new head. Thank you for watching our video.
Be sure to watch our other videos and to subscribe by clicking above our heads.
And remember, we're always looking for new heads, so feel free to lose yours.